So you've made your way back, you found your way back, and with that being said, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen part 1 to this video, make sure you go ahead and click the video link in the description below so that you can see what it is that I did to kind of get my hair cleansed using the bentonite clay. So this video today that you're going to be watching is very straightforward. It's very simple. I guess it's just a matter of what products I've used. And today for this finger coils, I used Murray's Beeswax Honey Whip Curl Enhancer. It is meant to moisturize, define your curls, and to tame your frizz. And it does have honey, coconut oil, and shea butter in their product. Okay, so before you even think about starting your finger coil, make sure your hair is 1, detangled, and 2, moisturized. To moisturize my hair and to kind of leave moisture in my hair, I do use the LCO method, which I love. It's liquid, cream, and oil. In this case, my liquid is my water, my cream is my shea butter. Sorry, I love shea butter. And my oil is Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, so to coil your hair, you grab a very small section. Usually I like to go with a section where my curls already form that way like it's easier. Your curl will curl to the definition of your curl. Oh god, I can't explain it. Okay, wrap the hair around your finger and twirl like like you're flirting. Twirl. Yeah, that was such a horrible explanation. Wow. But anyways, from this point on, guys, the video is very straightforward. All you're doing is the same techniques you started off doing when it comes to finger coiling. You grab a section, twirl, release. Grab a section, twirl, and release. Grab a section, twirl, and release. So now that you've watched much of the video of how it looks when it's all completed, how it looks in the process of drying, and how it looks when it's dried, including different hair textures in my hair, you have some loose curls and you have some tight curls. So now to kind of give my hair some volume and some stretch, I do use cool to warm heat at the roots of my hair to kind of just release some of the curls and make it stretch. That's it. You can do this by using a blow dryer, or you can do this by banding your hair. And that is it for this video. This is an updated finger coil style on my head after I've used the bentonite clay. Make sure you watch that video, and if you loved everything you've seen today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like, what is you doing? Join the club, join the squad, join the posse, just join the family, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
coils.